Presenting the 2010 Smart Fortwo. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. Better gas mileage means better long-term driving, and this ride delivers with a great low fuel consumption rate. With a reliable engine connected to a smooth shifting 5-speed automatic transmission, premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Anti-lock brakes help you bring your vehicle to a safe stop. Heated seats make cold weather driving more endurable. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, an alarm system, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: passenger airbag, side airbag, stability control. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.